Hi there! We are here in lovely city of Tbilisi, and today I'm going to share updated video from Tbilisi for spring travel season. So if you are visiting Tbilisi city in spring, make sure to watch this episode. If you are traveling to Tbilisi or plan your visit very soon, don't get surprised to see the main fortress of Tbilisi, Narikala Fortress, in a closed condition due to some reconstruction works. So, after reaching at the top of the hill from cable car experience in Old Town, you will be surprised to enjoy with wonderful views on the city and explore outside area near fortress. And today I'm going to show you alternative way to explore area and not to miss your best chance of exploration in spring here. After visiting Mother of Georgia, you should continue 5 minutes walk straight, and on the left side you will notice the entrance of Botanical Garden that is perfect choice for springtime to explore the nature directly in the city. Springtime with its blossom season and beauty of nature directly in the city makes Botanical Garden perfect escape from noisy and busy city life. Keep in mind that Botanical Garden becomes especially impressive from April when the nature becomes fresh green colors. You can enjoy peaceful walk in nature and hear the birds singing. Botanical Garden is a wonderful choice for families with kids also to enjoy outdoor area, and you can just easily spend your time here. If you are a nature lover, you will never regret visiting this place in Tbilisi. Botanical Garden of Tbilisi is divided into several zones, and you can just enjoy with several hours exploration here. Keep in mind that entrance at Tbilisi waterfall in Old Town area near sulfur buses is prohibited. So right now the best way to explore waterfall in Old Town of Tbilisi is through Botanical Garden. Keep in mind that the territory of the garden is quite large, so you should consider about 3 hours for walking and exploring this place. Botanical Garden is perfect choice for photography and photo enthusiasts. You can also consider this place for special occasions or special events. As you see, this garden definitely offers many things to do, and for more you just need to visit by yourself. Well, I hope you find this episode helpful for your spring travel time in Georgia. Make sure to subscribe our channel to stay updated with upcoming videos. Make sure to share your favorite travel season for Georgia in comment section. See you in next time. Bye bye.